COMPREDICT is a German-based startup which is specialized in a technology that we call virtual sensors for mobility. Basically, with our technology, we can replace some actual sensors in vehicles, so meaning that we can get rid of some usually available sensors. We know that if we want to reach more customers and to reach scalability, we have to get our virtual sensors directly in the vehicles.
We're working with COMPREDICT, who's building leading-edge AI and machine learning that typically is leveraged in the cloud to do predictive models for predictive maintenance, vehicle health. BlackBerry IVY can help bring COMPREDICT's predictive algorithms to the vehicle so that it runs locally in the vehicle. That generates insights without having to send data to the cloud, which reduces complexity, accesses the data locally, and reduce costs for automakers.
This means that we can have a factor 10 to 100 in the reduction of data which has to be transferred to the cloud. And this is a big advantage for the car makers because it's reducing actually the data exchange fees. With virtual sensors, we are addressing predictive maintenance, but we are addressing as well topic of health monitoring, usage monitoring. So this way, actually, we can get information about the health states of different components and systems of the vehicle, so making it more safer and making it more reliable.